Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 48 of Surah Al-A'raf and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ونادى أصحاب الأعراف رجالا يعرفونهم ومخرج of voice circling your lips. For fatha on your jaws, the sound is short. Na, 2 counts long. Da, mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. Else, hamza is sharp. For fatha on jaws, at its sod. Sod will get sifa of. Sod will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy. Else, ha, 2 counts long, and ha from middle part of your throat. Bull for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Hamza is sharp. For fatha on jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut. Ra, give takrad in ra, make it 2 counts long. Ra, fi, give hams in fa. For kasra, give e sound. Ri, ri. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is short and ra is light. Ja, 2 counts long. Lay, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yeah. Yeah, it's light for fatha on jaws attached with ain. Ain will get off the wasut, and ain should be from middle part of your throat. Eri. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. Fu. Give hams and fa. For the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na. For fatha on jaws, the sound is short. Hum. This is ikhfa shafawi. You're keeping the sound in your nose. For gunna, B, for kasra, give E sound. C, 2 counts long. Ma, 2 counts long. Hum, for the circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of the wasut. O, of is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Lu, for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Ma, mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. Aw, hamza is sharp, for fatha on jaws attached with ghain. Ghain will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy and it has infitah. Kha, okay, write it down. Kha, of, and ghain are the letters which are heavy, but they have infitah. Infitah. So, oh, beautiful sound of ghain. Na, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha on jaws, and then there is ikhfa, just like ink. You are about to say ink. Kum, for the circle lips attached with me will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Jam, for fatha, jim is majhura. For fatha upon jaws attached with me will get sifa of tawassut. Ru, ain from your throat for the circular lips. Kum, for the circular lips attached with me will get sifa of tawassut. Wa, ma, 2 counts long. Kun, for the circular lips attached. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, because ta is among light letters, and go to your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of ta. Tum, for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of tawassut. Tas, ta, sharp, no flow of sound. Fatha on jaws attached with sin will get sifa of rakhawa. It is light and it has safir. Tas, tek, for fatha on jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hams. B, for kasra, give E sound. Uru, urun. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat al-sukun, and long vowel should not go into your nose at all. ونادى أصحاب الأعراف رجالا يعرفونهم بسيماهم يعرفونهم بسيماهم قالوا ما أغنى قالوا ما أغنى عنكم جمعكم وما كنتم تستكبرون. Hamza is sharp, put top and jaws. Ha, 4 counts long. U, for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. La, 4 counts long. Il, for kasra give E sound, attach it lam. Tawassut. La, for top and jaws. The, 2 counts long. Na, for top and jaws, the sound is short. Aqo, Hamza is sharp, for top and jaws, attach it qaf. Qaf will get sifa off. Qalqala, and qaf is heavy. Aqo, Sam, for top and jaws, attach it mim, you will get sifa off. Tawassut. Tum, for Dhamma circle ellipse attach it mim, you will get sifa off. Tawassut. La, 2 counts long. Yeah, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Na, 2 counts long. Lu, for Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Hu, for Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. So both sound should be same length. Lu, hu, mu. Meme is light, but Lafz Jalala will be heavy because there is Dhamma before it. And Lafz Jalala is always long. Mullahu, for Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. B, for Kasra, give E sound. Rah, Ra is heavy. Give little takrar on Ra. Rah. And Ha, from your middle part of your throat with hums. Ma, for Fatha upon jaws attached Ha. This ta is always changed into ha when you are giving sakun, and this when it will be converted in ha, converted into ha, then it will get sifa of raqawa. Bi rahma. Ud, how you figure out to give haraka on this hamzatul wasl? You count 3 letters. One is hamzatul wasl, second is dal, third is kha. And if third letter has dhamma, then give dhamma on hamzatul wasl, otherwise give kasra. So here, and it is always with fi'al. So here this is fi'al, and we are giving it dhamma now. Ud, for dhamma circle lips, and hamza is sharp, attach it dal, dal will get sifa of qalqala. Ud, khu, Qa is heavy, for Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Lul, for Dhamma circle ellipse, attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Jan, Jim is majhura, for fatha upon jaws, attach with noon, noon will get sifa of kunna, this kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ta, sharp, no flow of sound, for fatha upon jaws. La, 2 counts long. Khaw, Kha is heavy, Waw is lean when you are attaching fatha with Waw, making it soft. Fun, give hams and fa, make a and sifa is tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. A, from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lay, making it soft when you're attaching fatha with ya. Kum, for Dhamma circle ellipse attach with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Wa, makhraj of waw is circling your lips. La, mad munfasil jazz, make it 4 counts long. Hamza is sharp, for fatha upon jaws, attach it. Ikhfa, this ikhfa is light, you're keeping the tongue straight. And tum, for Dhamma circle ellipse attach it mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Tah, Ta is sharp, for fatha upon jaws, attach it ha, ha, from your middle part of your throat with hums. Z for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Noon. Because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two count long vowel into four. This is madarat, this sukun. أهؤلاء الذين أقسمتم لا ينالهم أهؤلاء الذين أقسمتم لا ينالهم الله برحمة ادخلوا الجنة لا خوف عليكم لا خوف عليكم ولا أنتم تحزنون ونادى أصحاب قلنا أكملنا rise light focus give E sound أصحاب الجنة قلنا كاملة for fatha upon your jaws the sound is short. T focus give E sound, the sound is sharp and short. And tawassut suffice tawassut and hukm ithar. A sharp sound for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Fi give hams in fa, make it two counts long. Dwad is heavy for the circular lips, make it two counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lay, this is yailin, you're making soft when you're attaching fatha with ya. Na, two counts long. Mi, focus give E sound, the sound is short. Nal, for fatha upon jaws, attach it lam, lam will get sip up tawassut. Ma, mad muttasil wajib, make it four counts long. E, focus give E sound. Aw, wow lean, making it soft when you're attaching fatha with wow. Mim, focus give E sound attach it. Mim will get sip of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, two counts long. Or raw, give give vibration in raw and make it heavy. Raw, z, give safi in z for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ku for the circular lips, the sound is short. Mullah. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarit the sukun. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Qaf is heavy, make it two counts long. Lu mad munfasil jais, make it four counts long. In Hamza is sharp, focus give E sound, attach it. No, will get sip off. Kunna, this kunna is sakmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now, noon is light, lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. And lafz jalala is always long, two counts long. Ha for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ha from middle part of your throat with hams for fatha upon jaws, attach it to raw will get sip up the wasut and you're giving takrar in it. Harra for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short and heavy. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hu for the circular lips, the sound is short. Ma, two counts long. A from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lal for fatha upon jaws, attach it. Lam will get sip up the wasut. Ka, two counts long and kaf is light. Fi, give hams in fa for kasra give E sound. Ri. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun. This temporary sukun has turned two counts long vowel into four. This is mad arid lis sukun. ونادى أصحاب النار أصحاب الجنة أن أفيضوا علينا من الماء أو مما أو مما رزقكم الله قالوا إن الله حرمهما على الكافرين. استغفر الله. الذين همزة is sharp attached with lam. Lam will get صفة of tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Nat for fatha upon jaws attached with ta. Ta will get صفة of shidda, no flow of sound. The sound would cut abruptly. Ta for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kha is heavy with infitah. And for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Dhu for dhamma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Di 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hum for dhamma circle lips attached with mim, we will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws attached with ha will get sifa of rakhaba, and it should be from last part of your throat. La wow, idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. و مخرج of wow, circling your lips. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat. For kasra, give e sound. Bam idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa makhraj of wow, circling your lips. Ghain is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Ra is heavy because there is the fatha before it. What for fatha upon jaws attached. Ta will get sifa of hams, and hams is flow of breath. Who for the circle lips, the sound is short. Mul for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ha with hams from your throat. Ya is light, make it 2 counts long. Tud for the circle lips attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of shidda. The sound will cut off abruptly. Dun idhar mutlaq. Ya 2 counts long. Fell give hams in faf, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Yaw you're making it soft, and you're attaching fatha with waw because waw is lean. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Na for fatha upon jaws, and then there is ikhfa. Ikhfa is light because sin is among light letters. Na sa 2 counts long. Hum for the circle lips attached with me. Mim will get sifa of tawassut. Ka for fatha, kaf is light for fatha upon jaws. Ma 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Su for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra, give e sound. Qa heaviest level of making any letter heavy, and qaf yes, and alif is heavy too because it is accompanied by qaf, and this is mad muttasil wajib. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Yaw wow lean, so making soft when you're attaching fatha with wow. Mi for kasra, give e sound. Him for kasra, give e sound attached with me. We will get sifa of tawassut. Ha 2 counts long. The 2 counts long. Wa short. Ma 2 counts long. Ka 2 counts long. Nu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. B for kasra, give e sound. Hamza is sharp, but alif is from your jawf, make it 2 counts long. Ya soft, make it 2 counts long. T for kasra, give e sound, sharp, no flow of sound. Na 2 counts long. Yaj keep ya light and attach with jim. Jim is majhura, and there is qalqala. Ha from your throat with hams for fatha upon jaws. Do because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. Temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad added la sukoon. الذين اتخذوا دينهم لهوا ولعبا وغرتهم الحياة الدنيا فاليوم ننساهم كما نسوا لقاء يومهم هذا كما نسوا لقاء يومهم هذا وما كانوا بآياتنا يجحدون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.